Welcome back to the Law Show. I'm attorney Brian Dailey, broadcasting live from high atop the Law Show studios in the Windy City, Chicago, answering all your legal questions at 855-529-7469. That's 855-LAW-SHOW. If you have a legal question, call us right now at 855-529-7469 or email your questions to questions@thelawshow.com. At any time, you can text us your questions at keyword Law Show to 46786. Please like us on Facebook and follow us there. We have lots of information going up that will help you in your search for legal answers. You can follow us at The Law Show on Twitter. Same thing there. And there's really no way that you cannot, and can you think of that you can think of that you cannot get a hold of us. So we don't use carrier pigeons, but we're here to help you out, and there's never ever a cost for the initial consultation. So you know how to get in touch with us. Get in touch with us when you need to. I've got Deborah Crane here. She's our family law lawyer in our Chicago office, answering your legal questions. We're going to go back to the phones right now. And we're going to talk to Milton. Milton, you're on the Law Show. Milton, you're on the Law Show.
Hi, this is actually his wife, Janice. My husband had to step away from the phone because he had an appointment.
Okay.
But this is our situation. He works at a private school.
Okay.
And they notified them in May that the school would be closing as of June the 15th. Of course, the job ended. There was no unemployment benefits. We applied for unemployment. We got 2 payments of about $900 each. 3 weeks ago, we got a notification saying he was no longer eligible for unemployment benefits because the school did not pay into the benefit plan. And the office did tell us to keep certifying. We could appeal that. But as of today, we have no type of benefits from the Illinois Department of Unemployment Security.
Yeah, well,
our question is,
what you need to do is you need to find a lawyer that's familiar with that area, and we don't have any on staff right now that can help you out with that in the Chicago office. But if do you have access to email?
Yes, we do.
Send me an email with your contact information and a rundown of the circumstances and facts of the case, and I'll see if I can find a lawyer to help you out, okay?
Thank you.
All right. We're going to continue answering all your legal questions at 855-529-7469. That's 855-LAW-SHOW, and we're going to talk to Mark now. Mark, you're on the Law Show.
Yes. My question is that I have just purchased a multi-unit commercial property.
Okay.
There is a cleaning person that came with the building.
Yep.
She has no professional liability insurance. She just is a private individual who cleans.
Right.
If something happens to her or she claims an injury in the building, what's my liability?
Well, are you hiring her as an independent contractor or are you hiring her as an employee?
I don't think we have her. She just submits a bill and we pay her. So,
okay. When she submits her bill, is there something on the top of the bill that says Vera's cleaning or Trixie's, something like that?
What'd you say the first time?
Is there something? Does she have the name? Is there a name of her company?
Is there a name on the company here?
Oh no. Is there a name
on?
Name. What is her company name?
I don't think she has a company name. She just has her personal name on it.
All right. Well, here's what I would do. Probably don't have any problems, but just to be safe, if you're the kind of man that likes to wear a belt and a suspenders, what you do is you get her to sign an independent contractor agreement indicating that she is working as an independent contractor and that she is responsible for any damage that she does. Now, here's what's going to happen when you present her with that. She's going to want to probably not work for you anymore because then she's going to get scared. But there's probably a way to approach this so that you can get what you need. You obviously have insurance on the premises, right?
Yes.
Okay. So you're covered. I don't think that you would be required to provide any workers' compensation insurance for her because she's just a independent contractor, whether she signs that agreement or not. Okay? You need more information, more than I can give you on the radio right now. And so what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to contact me during regular business hours or send me an email so I can have Scott Decius, my business transactional lawyer, get in touch with you for a free initial consultation to talk to you about what to do to set this up, okay?
I appreciate it.
Do you know how to get a hold of me? By email?
Email address?
It's questions@thelawshow.com.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay? Thanks for calling the Law Show.
Great. Thank you for your help. Have a good day.
Yeah, you too. We're going to continue answering all your legal questions at 855-529-7469. We're going to go to Michael now. He's got a question about foreclosure. Michael, you're on the Law Show.
Hello. Yeah, I got a question in regards to a foreclosure. I purchased a property for $19,000 in Chicago.
Yeah.
I gave the lawyer all the money that was required to obtain this property, and he never gave me a deed. He finally admitted when I asked my money back. He said that I messed up too many problems with the contract, and another lawyer.
Michael, I got to put you on hold. We're going to answer your question after the show. I'm Brian Dailey with The Law Show. We'll see you next week on The Law Show.